Why your local businesses isn't showing up on Google and how to fix it in 30 days. If you're a local business owner and you're sick of watching your competitors show up on Google while you're invisible, this video is going to change that. I'm Goodness and I've ranked multiple local service businesses on the first page of Google without paying for ads. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system I used, prove it works with a live search, and give you the 3 things you need to fix this week to start seeing results. Right now, you're probably dealing with one of three frustrations. First, you're relying on referrals, word of mouth, or paying for ads that stop working the moment you stop spending. Second, when you search for your service in city, you are either buried on page 2 or you don't show up at all. Meanwhile, your competitor, who isn't even as good as you, is sitting in position 1 getting all the calls. Third, you've probably tried SEO services before. Maybe you paid someone 500 to 1,005 per month, they promised results, and nothing happened. You're skeptical, frustrated, and honestly, not sure if this whole ranking thing on Google is for you or for your business. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to pull a Google. I'm going to pull up a Google search right now and do a live search. I'm going to search for gutter cleaning in Grand Prairie and watch what exactly happens. So basically, this is it: gutter installation in Grand Prairie, and here's my site that's coming up. If you refresh the site, right now, it's still the same result. This is my website here that's coming up. If you research it for multiple of this keyword, gutter contractor, gutter company, Grand Prairie, this as just that come up. To prove this is actually mine, I'm going to submit. I'm going to submit a form right now. So basically, I'm going to fill this form right now. And if I go to check my email where I received this update, I'm going to get the email right now. Also, so basically, this is how I ranked a gutter company down in Texas, Arlington, very competitive city as such. If we check my email, you should find it here. And this is it. So this is proof that this actually works. So another thing is you see the result right there. It's in position 2. I built this website from scratch. About 4 months ago, with zero backlinks, except citations, no paid ads, just strategic local SEO. Now you watch another. This is simple, clean, and optimized. They're showing up for gutter installation Grand Prairie, gutter repair Grand Prairie, seamless gutter repair, all high intent keywords. Now I don't have access to the analytics because this was just a project I built, ranked it, and moved on. And here's what matters: they're ranking. That's not an opinion. They're looking at it right, live, right now. Let me show you another search for tuxedo rental in Texas, which they are on position number 3, 4. If you type suit rental here, this is also my website. You see, it has a similar design. This is also my website that ranks for tuxedo rental in Arlington, Texas. Ranks for prom suit rental, all on page 1, position number 3 here also. So basically, you see that's in the competitive market. The same process, 90 days, first page of Google. Here's how this works. Google ranks local businesses based on 3 factors: relevance, distance, and prominence. Most business owners focus on usually relevance and they wonder why nothing happens. You need all three. Let me break this down. Relevance means Google understands what you do and where you do it from. If you're a plumber in Austin, your website needs to screen plumber and Austin in the right places. Most businesses fail here because their homepage says welcome to ABC services with zero mention of what they actually do. Google can't read your mind. If your site doesn't explicitly say gutter cleaning in Grand Prairie, Texas, you won't rank for it. Distance is straightforward. It's how close you are to the searcher. You can't change your address, but you can optimize your Google business profile so Google knows exactly where you are and what areas you serve. Most businesses leave 70% of their profile incomplete. That's free ranking power left on the table. Prominence is how well you are known online. Google measures this through citations, mentions of your business name, address, and phone number across the web, and reviews. If your competitor has 50 5-star reviews and you have 8, they will outrank you even if everything else is equal. The good news is this is fixable. You just need a system. Here's what I want you to do right now. Literally pause this video and do this. Pull up a Google search and search for your service plus your city. Take a screenshot of where you are currently ranking. If you're not on the first page, scroll to page 2 and find yourself. If you're not there at all, screenshot that too and save it. This is your starting point because 90 days from now, when you are in the top 3, you're going to want to look back at this and remember where you started. Do that now, then come back. Imagine this 90 days from now, you search for your main keyword and you're sitting in position 1 or 2. Your phone rings. It's a customer who found you on Google. They are ready to book. No negotiating, no price shopping. They found you, they trust you, and they want to hire you. That's Monday. By Wednesday, 3 more calls. By the end of the month, you've booked 15 to 25K in revenue from people who found you organically on Google. No ads, no paying per click, just consistent, predictable lead flow. That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you're ranking and you're looking at proof that is possible right now. If you want to know how we'll do this for your specific business, I put together a free strategy call where we'll audit your current situation, show you exactly where you're losing to competitors, and map out a custom 90-day plan to get you ranking. No pitch, no pressure, just strategy. Links is in the description. Book a time that works, and I will see you there. Also, if you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your city and your industry. I read every single comment and I'll tell you how competitive your market is and what you're up against. See you in the next one.